In this video, I want to talk about how you can fix the checkout on Shopify. Now, I wrote down some of the common fixes, and these will be them all. So the first one is you need to review your checkout settings. You can do that from your admin dashboard. Just head over to settings and go to checkout. So in here and find checkout, and you can see it all in here. Then make sure that company name and address line 2 are set to optional, as well as the customer contact method is on phone number or email. Now the next one is to verify your payment providers. So inside of payments, you want to make sure that you have this set up correctly. So you need to complete this fully and make sure you verify everything else in here. Now the third one is to check your shipping rates. So go into settings, shipping and delivery, and make sure that you have defined shipping rates for all the regions that people are trying to buy from. Now the fourth one is to troubleshoot payment failures. So if the customer contacts you about the problem, make sure that their card is not expired or stuff like this. Now the last one is to disable problem apps. So if you downloaded any new apps here and it causes issues, then you can try and disable them and uninstall them. Now, if none of these work, just contact the Shopify support team and they'll be able to help you. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.